Celebrate a good 10 years of 2014 to 2024 Maleficent for the Memories t-shirt. Decade of magic and darkness with the good 10 years of 2014 to 2024 Maleficent for the Memories t-shirt. This exclusive design commemorates 10 years of one of Disney's most iconic villains, Maleficent, who first captured our imaginations in 2014. Whether you're a die-hard fan of the classic tale of Sleeping Beauty or the modern reimagining, featuring the unforgettable Angelina Jolie, this t-shirt is the perfect way to mark this milestone. The artwork on this shirt is bold and striking. Taking a stroll with your dog, or just lounging at home, this t-shirt provides a casual, laid-back vibe that fits perfectly into everyday life. Its humorous message also makes it a great gift idea for friends or family who share your love for dogs and a good laugh. Other product.